Hello everyone, my name is Santosh Kumar. Today I am presenting a capstone project of Master in Data Science of Voyage Analytics integrating envelopes in travel. So this is the project. The travel and tourism industry generates massive volumes of data every day. Flight bookings, hotel stays and traveler profiles. Yet most of this data is used only for record keeping rather than for driving smarter decisions. This project Voyage Analytics sets up out to change that by applying machine learning and envelopes practices to real travel data in order to build an end-to-end production style analytics system. The project works with three interconnected datasets: users, flights, and hotels, linked with user code and travel code. Using this data, three machine learning problems are solved. First is regression, predicting flight price based on route, flight type, agency, distance, and travel dates. Second is classification, predicting a traveler's gender from their booking behavior. Third is recommendation, so suggesting hotels to travelers based on destination price and stay length similarly. Beyond model building, the project focuses heavily on productionizing these models, serving them through a REST API. So for that it is the Docker scaling and the Kubernetes automating retaining with Apache Airflow, deploying via Jenkins CI/CD pipeline, tracking experiments with MLflow, and presenting insights through the interactive Streamlit application. The goal is to demonstrate not just can a model be trained, but can this system be reliably deployed, monitored, and maintained. The real work of data scientist of ML engineer in industry. So this is the business domain, regression, classification, and recommendation. So we have made the setup for this. We have made install and import library after setup. We have made run the code. We have made the code for that. Pip -q install mlflow joblib streamlit pipecork and printed for setup complete. After setup complete, it is showing. We have go to import our libraries. Firstly, we have import OS, input output, JSON, pickle, numpy as np, panda as pd, matplotlib, pyplot as plt, seaborn as sns, and make the code for train test split cross value score. So library is imported successfully after running this code. It is the library imported successfully. Our library are imported. We have uploaded the data again. So user.csv, flight.csv, and hotels.csv. There are three files. three CSV files so we have uploaded on for this project. Third, load and inspect the data. We have inspected the data of users, flights and hotels by pd.read.csv and uh, flights data pd to date time with hotels, print users for users.shape, flights.shape and hotels.shape. How much data present on that. So there are after running this code we have displayed that head of that, and users have 1340 rows and 5 columns. Flights have 2,71,888 with 10, and hotels have 40,552 with 8 columns. So we have displayed the head of that. Firstly, code, company, name, gender and age, and second, travel code, user code, from, to, where, flight type, which flight type and price, time, distance and so on. Third is travel code, user code, name, place, date, price, total, date, it is showing. So we have printed the missing value for users, flight and hotels. So missing value of that are missing value users for 0, missing value flights for 0 and missing value hotel for 0. We have run the code and count unique top frequency, mean, standard, minimum, 25%, 50%, 75% and maximum. And flight describe have this travel code. We have counted that. So after that we have make the EDA for this project, exploratory data analysis. We have run the code, we have made the code for that users and access for that, and users with company, top 10 company, number of users. So after running this code we have get these charts. So in the charts, gender distribution and age distribution and top 10 companies by number of users. So first have this gender distribution have 3 main columns, and second have green for age, and third have top 10 values companies. After that we have made for flights, which flights with price distribution. So this is the chart for that. there have four type of chart. Bar chart shows this, and distance versus price, it have the dots value. So this is the flat price distribution. After that, we have made the pie chart for flight type share. So most of cases are first classes, which is 42.8%, and premium have 28.7%, and third economic have 28.5%. So this is the minimal value economic type classes flight type. So it have only three type of charts. After that we have plot dot figure with corresponding heat map. So correlation heat map we have made for that flight numeric features. So this is the heat map for that. So it have showing the price with time and distance, price time distance. So this is the heat map. One after 0.075, 0.050, 0.025. After that it goes to higher level. So this is the flight numeric features heat map. After that we have made for hotels. We have run this code. So layout and this shown with these graphs. Total stage, so total stage price distributor it is showing, and after that top 10 destinations by hotel booking. So Aracaju, Campo Grande, Brasilia, Repke, Sao Paulo, SP, Natal RN, Rio de Janeiro, RJ, and Salvador, BH. So this is the total with it is showing with dots. Days versus total price. So this is showing with dotted. After this we have made the regression model, flight price prediction. So flights.csv, route, flight type, agency, duration, distance, and calendar features and companies. We have made this code for Flight regression encoder for column in form to flight type, agency, length, so x-axis and y-axis. Print train size with x train shape and test size x test shape. So train size of that is, after running this code, 2,17,510 with 8, and test size will be 54,378 with 8 columns. So we have made the linear regression and random forest regression. Linear regression have this MA value and RMSE value and R2 value. After that, random forest regression have these are values. So best regression model are random forest regression. We have the plot, we show the plot graphs. These are three types of charts, and after that we have made the feature importance for that and classification model, and recommendation model for hotel suggestion. So top 10 most booked hotels are that with these prices: Hotel K, Hotel CB, Hotel BD, etc. These are the hotels showing that. So most booked hotel are in top 10. Hotel K are most booked hotel. So experiment tracking with ML flow. After that we have made the REST API Flask for that with connection with the Docker and scalable development with Kubernetes. After that we have deployed this Kubernetes apply with the deployment horizontal. Keep the API responsive under variable travel season load. So we have made the CI/CD pipeline for Jenkins. This is the code for that. So overlisting Jenkins file. After that we have made the workflow orchestration Apache Airflow. So overwriting with travel pipeline dag.py. Interactive app Streamlit with, we have made this Streamlit app for that. So writing Streamlit app.py. So this is the summary for that. Regression, flight price, trend evaluated, so we have made this all type of interactive app, experiment tracking, etc. Next step for GitHub submission, this is the. So thanks for watching.